up, YouTube? Lil O here.
Come out to Dunkin' Donuts this morning.
Gonna do a mukbang today.
Mukbang got times two. Two of them ghost pepper donuts.
Got 2 ghost pepper donuts, the new ones that just come out.
Gonna review it, let you know how it tastes.
Let you know the heat, the taste,
see what's up with it.
See how it is. Let's get to it.
Let's go. See what's up with it. No heat.
No heat at all. What's going on here?
I'm waiting for something to kick in or something.
Right. What's going on here?
Tastes pretty good.
Tastes good. No heat yet though. No heat at all, YouTube.
Yeah, there ain't no heat. Tastes really well.
Mm-hmm. Tastes good. I think it's a flunk on the heat though.
Yeah. I'm waiting for something just to kick in or something.
Mm-hmm. So it hasn't done nothing to the mouth.
Out here in Birch Run.
Yep. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts Town Birch Run.
There ain't one local to us, so I'll wait to drive out here.
Yep, had to come out here and get them. Shut down all the ones around us. Nothing going on right here right now.
Number 2.
I'm number 2 already and no heat. You have to go back in there and ask them what's up. Where's the heat at?
No,
They didn't get something right.
not really no heat.
At all.
Little dinky tang,
Nope.
but nothing.
It's a little tangy. Nothing at all. I think the strawberry glaze overpowers the heat.
Nothing like that Pocky chip. Woo!
That's rough.
Hot.
Now we're talking heat there. What are we doing next? The Grim Reaper challenge? Big O? 13 million Scoville unit beef jerky. It'll take
I
me.
ain't built myself up enough for that one.
No, that'd take me forever to eat that. Take me, cause you gotta chew beef jerky for a minute.
It's actually really, really good.
Yeah, it is.
Really good. You can taste the tang a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Not nothing to shake a stick at, but
You can see the little red spectacles.
yeah, it has a little tang to it.
Little tingling in the tip of the tongue, but other than that, no major
It's really
heat.
good.
Mm-hmm.
Not too sweet. Perfect, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Give it a 10 out of 10 on the taste, but the heat,
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
Not even a 1, maybe a half.
Yeah, about 0.5 out of 10. No heat at all.
All gone.
Going right here, right now.
Really good. Actually, really good, don't it?
Real good.
Tastes excellent. With some Fiji water.
Yep. It was a good old Fiji.
Has like a little tart to it.
A little tang to it. I can feel it, a little heat in the tongue, but other than that,
That was excellent.
good donut, but heat's weak.
Yeah, the heat ain't there. They need to advertise barely any heat, but sweet.
Alright, YouTube, that was mine and Big O's first mukbang.
Mukbang, first one of 2020.
We're gonna be back with a whole bunch of other food reviews.
Reviews,
Like, share, and subscribe
pranks,
to the channel.
challenges, all kinds of
Content
stuff coming out.
daily.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Like,
Big
share,
O
and
and Little
subscribe
O.
to the channel, Funny Towers.
Talk soon, YouTube.
Yep.
Little later
Talk
on.
later.
Peace.
See you on the next one.